Hello there, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. I almost didn't make this video because you can't believe what's been going on around here this week. My dining room ceiling almost fell in from water damage, so that had to be repaired. And in the process of repairing that, there is a fine layer of construction dust over every single surface in my house. And it's so fine that it got into my china cabinet. So I had to take everything out, dust everything down, wait, let more dust settle, dust it down again, clean everything that was in it by hand, because if you saw my marshmallow video, how to make handcrafted marshmallows, you know that my dishwasher is broken. So maybe it's because I've been doing so many dishes in the sink, my sink decided to clog. I used a hack that has never failed me. You just pour boiling water down the drain and the water flows good as new. Who needs a plumber? Who needs harsh chemicals? So anyway, I thought, well, there's no way I could do a video this week. It's just there's too much going on. But I like to post for you once a week. And I will not be defeated and I will not surrender. So today we are going to make oven-baked garlic French fries. Okay, so I've already scrubbed the potatoes. The key to this is cutting your French fries, cutting your potato as uniformly as possible, because we're going to bake these in the oven on a sheet pan. And the more uniform they are, the more uniformly they're going to bake, which is important because you don't want some burned while some are raw, because that just wouldn't be good. My oven is preheating to 400. While I'm doing this, I just want to give a shout out to my viewers. You know, like I said, it hasn't been a great week, but I've been getting the nicest comments from you guys, and I really want to say thank you. I especially want to mention AJ Puzzle Ferret, who leaves quite a few comments, and I love interacting with him because it makes me feel like someone is in fact watching. And also to Gemini Vibes. I didn't know that Geminis gave such good vibes, but I love your comments and I really want to thank you. And if you are here for the very first time, I hope you'll become a subscriber and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment, because I love the comments. I love them. I love interacting with you. I never get tired of it. And by the way, I respond to every comment. So if you write to me, I'll write you back. All right, this is done. So let's cut these up. All right, we're going to start by just cutting these in half. There we go. Now, how long do I want to make these French fries? I guess they're going to be as long as this potato. And we're going to do about 1/4 inch slices. And then the bigger pieces, we'll slice those in half. I don't know if you can see what's going on. So like this end piece, there's really not a whole lot to it. We'll just leave that. But this piece from the middle, you can see is pretty big. So I'm going to just slice it in half. And there we have a lovely French fry. Or it will be. And this is a great recipe if you like to enjoy fries, but you don't eat them that often because, you know, fried food's not so great for your health. But you can eat these without any guilt. And that's the kind of food we like around here. I want to cut this one. Yeah, let's. Okay. Now, you don't even have to peel these if you don't want to. They're just as good with the peel on. And that is simply a matter of personal preference. Okay, now that our potatoes have been cut, we're going to crack a few eggs. Let me just put this aside. And we just want to use the egg whites. So we're going to separate these. You want the egg whites to go in the big bowl. We have our egg whites, and in here I have 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. Just going to add that and whip it up. All right. Now we'll take a parchment-lined baking sheet and just coat it with a little nonstick spray, which I always do in the sink because otherwise it makes a mess. And now we just want to toss our potatoes in the egg white. And give them a little shake, a little shaky shake when you take them out, and just place them on your baking sheet. You want to make sure they're well coated but not drippy. And you know, today we're making garlic French fries baked in the oven, but you don't have to make garlic. You could make any seasoning you like. You could put paprika on these. You could make them Cajun and put Southwestern spice blend, or whatever you like. There are no rules when it comes to French fries. Bake for 20 minutes, then turn them over and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes. If you want them extra crispy, pop them under the broiler for a minute or 2 as a final step. Dip in your favorite condiment and enjoy.